Today, we're exploring the journey of Carl Rinsch, the visionary director who went from being Hollywood's next big thing to the center of one of the most bizarre and expensive scandals in streaming history. Known for his visual flair, his career was marked by a meteoric rise, followed by a chaotic downfall, involving cryptocurrency, luxury cars, and a massive legal battle with Netflix. So, where is Carl Rinsch now? Let's find out. Carl Rinsch first gained acclaim as a protege of Ridley Scott, directing high-end commercials before landing the $175 million blockbuster 47 Ronin, starring Keanu Reeves. Though the film struggled at the box office, Rinsch's reputation for ambitious storytelling remained. In 2018, he pitched a sprawling sci-fi series titled Conquest to several streamers, ultimately landing a deal with Netflix that provided him with over $55 million in funding. However, the production soon spiraled out of control. Filming in Brazil and Africa was reportedly marked by erratic behavior, and despite the massive investment, Rinsch failed to deliver a single finished episode, eventually leading Netflix to pull the plug and write off the project entirely. The situation grew even more surreal when it was revealed that Rinsch had allegedly diverted millions of dollars from the show's budget into personal investments. According to reports, he lost nearly $6 million betting on the stock market before pivoting to cryptocurrency, where he reportedly turned $4 million into $27 million by betting on Dogecoin. He then embarked on a spending spree, purchasing 5 Rolls-Royces, a Ferrari, and millions of dollars in luxury furniture and clothing. This led to a contentious, confidential arbitration process with Netflix, where Rinsch claimed the streaming giant breached their contract and owed him at least $14 million in damages. The New York Times report on the Conquest scandal. The Hollywood Reporter's coverage of Carl Rinsch's legal battles. Where is Carl Rinsch now? As of now, Carl Rinsch has effectively become a pariah in the mainstream film industry and is living a secluded life in Los Angeles. He has not directed a professional project since the Conquest collapse and is currently considered unhireable by major studios. His primary focus over the last year has been his ongoing legal and financial disputes as the arbitration with Netflix reached a final, confidential resolution in late 2024. While the exact details of the settlement remain sealed, sources indicate that Rinsch did not receive the massive payout he was seeking and has been forced to liquidate several of his luxury assets, including his fleet of Rolls-Royces. In addition to his professional exile, Rinsch has dealt with significant personal turmoil. Following a high-profile and messy divorce from his wife, Gabriella Rosés Bentoncourt, who served as a producer on his failed series, he has maintained a very low public profile. Friends and former colleagues have described him as increasingly isolated, though he occasionally resurfaces on obscure social media channels to post cryptic messages about organic intelligence and mathematical truths, suggesting he is still fixated on the sci-fi concepts that led to his downfall. Carl Rinsch has transformed from a blockbuster director into a cautionary tale of unchecked ego and financial mismanagement in the streaming era. While he remains a free man, his career in Hollywood is largely seen as over, leaving behind a $55 million ghost of a series that the world will likely never see. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals involved in high-profile industry scandals and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.